All right, before I show you how to upgrade your eCoin University account without paying any fees, I have to give a shout out to my buddy Tyson Curtis because he is the one, I got to give him all the credit, who actually showed me how to do this. It's awesome. Thank you, Tyson. All right, so right now in this video, I'm going to actually show you how to do two really cool things with eCoin University. I'm going to show you how to actually pay for someone else to upgrade. And the reason why you might want to do this is in case the person doesn't have any Bitcoin, maybe they're waiting for their Bitcoin to clear. It's, sometimes it takes a while if they're transferring Bitcoin to their bank account. They just want to sign up now. I probably would only do this with people that you know or that you trust. But if they send you the money through PayPal or through Facebook, or they just give you cash or whatever it is, then you, once they give you the money, in this case, for say the $125 level, I would probably charge them a little bit extra, $5 to $10 in fees that you might have to pay. Once they send you the money, I'm going to show you right now what you need to do to actually pay for their upgrade with your Bitcoin that you have in your wallet. I'm also going to show you right now in this video how you can actually upgrade yourself or someone else without paying any fees. How cool is that? So in order to do this, you are going to need to have a Coinbase account, or at least you need to be able to create an account with GDAX. Now, if you have Coinbase already, like I do, then all you need to do is go up to your address bar and put in the website, GDAX.com. And it's going to automatically, when you click to log in, it will automatically log you into your GDAX account because it's tied to Coinbase. Now, if you do not have Coinbase, then you'll need to register with GDAX, create an account with GDAX, and then you can transfer money into your GDAX account by clicking deposit right here. And you can transfer money from any Bitcoin wallet that you have. So however you get your Bitcoin, whether it's through localbitcoins.com or Bitcoin ATM, or you get Bitcoin from any other exchange, you can send your Bitcoin to this address right here inside of your GDAX account. You click on BTC address, send it here, and that will send the Bitcoin to your GDAX account. You can also transfer it without any fees by doing a bank account deposit, and you can also withdraw directly from your Coinbase account, like I have here, Bitcoin from your Coinbase into GDAX and pay 0 fees to do so. So bank account is no fees, Coinbase is no fees, or you can transfer it from another wallet and get your money into GDAX. Now, once you have Bitcoin in your GDAX account, here is how you can upgrade yourself into eCoin University, or how you could upgrade someone else if they have sent you the money first. All you do is click on withdraw. Now, again, you must have some Bitcoin first in your GDAX account in order for this to work. So I'm going to click on withdraw, and then I'm going to come over here to BTC address because we're going to be sending the Bitcoin right over to eCoin University. And it's going to ask, how much Bitcoin do you want to send? And so in the eCoin University back office, when you click here to upgrade to one of the different levels, or if you're paying for someone else, they would be clicking on upgrade. Either way, you need to get the exact amount of Bitcoin to send, which they could send you if you're paying for someone else, or you will copy it if you're upgrading yourself. You'll simply put that amount here, make sure it is exact, down to the exact number, or it will not work. You then also have to copy the exact Bitcoin address, which is going to be given to you inside of your eCoin University account. When you click to upgrade any one of these different positions, it's going to give you both of those pieces of information, the amount of Bitcoin to send and the exact destination wallet address. Now, GDAX is also going to make you verify that you are who you are. So you click on get code and they will send you a text message. And there it is. So now I'm going to type that code here. This is just for verification purposes in case somehow someone got into your account and got your password, they want to make sure that it's really you, so they verify by sending you a text to your cell phone. So once you put in that code, all you do is click withdraw. Now, I need you to just pause for a second here and listen carefully. Usually, like with Coinbase, when you send Bitcoin, it gives you a confirmation screen to confirm what you're doing before it actually does it, like a second step. In GDAX, there is no confirmation. When you click withdraw here, it's done. And so if anything is not done properly, it will not work and you could lose your Bitcoin. So make sure that the exact amount of Bitcoin is correct. Make sure the wallet is correct coming from the eCoin University back office of the account that is being upgraded. Then you simply click withdraw. And that is it. So now the funds have left my GDAX account and are now being transferred over to eCoin University. And in this case, I'm paying for someone to upgrade. When I am getting funds into my account, I was using my debit card. And when you use your debit card, you have to pay fees. So that's why I charged a little bit extra. When you do deposits into your Coinbase or your GDAX account and you use a bank wire, then there's no fees. But then you have to wait like 7 to 10 days, and I don't want to wait 7 to 10 days. So however you want to do it, whether you want to charge them $125 or you want to charge a little bit extra for fees, totally up to you. So they sent me the money through PayPal, and then I just went through my GDAX account as I walked you through the steps, and I paid for them to upgrade. So now I'm going to message this person on Facebook and tell them to click on the button in their eCoin University back office to confirm that they have paid. So this is the process that you would take to pay for yourself to upgrade into eCoin University without paying any fees, and that's using GDAX. And you could also do what I just described to you to pay for someone else to join, whether you use GDAX or you use any other means of transferring Bitcoin over to eCoin University. You can do it however you would like. But the fact that you have a way to actually upgrade into eCoin University for $5 or $25 or all in at the pro level for just $125, and you can do it without paying any fees is pretty awesome. Now, you may or may not know, but when you or someone else does the upgrade, it is possible, because of the amount of time that it takes sometimes for Bitcoin to get transferred, that the person, if you paid for them, when they click on the button that says I paid, it might actually give them an error message. And this could also happen to you if you're upgrading yourself. And if that is the case, then you would need to submit a ticket to eCoin University. Right up here, you go to the top right and go to where it says support. And you can see here it says copy email address. Send them an email. Let them know that you just upgraded and what you need to send them. And now if you're doing this for someone else, then they would need to email support, not you, because it's for their account. And all you need to do for eCoin University to verify the transaction so that they can upgrade you or the member is simply go over here to accounts. And this would obviously be different if you're using some other method of making the payment. But if you make the payment through Coinbase or GDAX, it would be right here under accounts. So you'll see here it says that the funds were actually sent from GDAX. And what you're actually looking for is this one. These are both the same transaction. One is showing that it came from GDAX, but this is the pending Bitcoin that is being sent right now to eCoin University. So whether it's you or someone else, if the transaction if they didn't get it in time and they want you to verify that you did indeed send the Bitcoin, you would simply click on the transaction that is pending. And then right here where it says to, you want to click on this address. And then what you would probably want to do is in the address bar, you could send this link. This is basically kind of like a verification link of the actual transaction that proves that the money was sent and where it was sent to. So when eCoin University receives this link from this transaction, they will upgrade the member, whether it was you or if it was someone else. So I just want to show you, just to make sure that you do understand the full process here, that the way that you get funds into GDAX to pay no fees from your Coinbase account, if you have one, is you simply come over here and you click on buy, sell. You click on Bitcoin and you simply choose your payment method. Now, if you're doing a bank account, it's going to take 7 to 10 days before you receive your Bitcoin. And if you're going to do it that way, don't do it with Coinbase because they will charge you a fee. You can do it from your GDAX account. You simply come over here to deposit and you go to bank account and you can deposit right into your GDAX account from your bank account and you'll pay 0 fees. Now, if you want to get your Bitcoin immediately, then you would need to add a debit card. And so under the payment method, you would add a debit card. And then when you purchase Bitcoin through Coinbase, you will get your Bitcoin immediately, which is pretty awesome, but they will charge you a fee. Right now, typically, if you do a transaction here of purchasing, say, $150 worth of Bitcoin, you're probably going to pay about $5 in fees. So $5 is not a big deal. And then you can take your Bitcoin that you just got through Coinbase and you can come over to GDAX and you can transfer it immediately from your Coinbase account into GDAX, which is completely free, no fees. And then you can purchase your eCoin University packages or upgrades here to these different levels and pay absolutely no fees. So guys, this is huge. GDAX is an absolutely incredible way for those of you that have the ability to use it to pay 0 fees when upgrading into eCoin University. Now again, I have to give a huge shout out to Tyson Curtis, my man, my bro, because he's the one who introduced me to this method of paying no fees. So if you like this, if this is awesome, go ahead, drop some comments, drop some love, let me know, give Tyson a shout out as well, and be sure to share this video with everyone who joins you in eCoin University. All of your members who join for free, send them this video so they can see the process of getting upgraded without paying any fees. And of course, if they have questions on how to upgrade, there's a video right here. It says how to pay. Make sure they watch this video because it will answer their questions and show them how to go through the process.